Hey guys, me Nesha, and today we're gonna play a game called Natural Disaster Survival. I've never played this game before, but I'm gonna try it. So I Stickmaster Luke. Okay, that's a good sign. Stickmaster Luke is quite fun because I've never played his games before. So quickly run around this. Oh, I couldn't read it. Let me leave the game again. Nah, forget it. It's telling us here. Welcome. Do your best to survive the natural disasters. This game is played in rounds. Each round loads a new random disaster on map. If you die, you will spawn in the lobby where you can watch the rest of the players try to survive from the safety of the tower. Be patient, a new round will start shortly. Oh my god, that's natural disaster? What? That's not cool. Can I go? Oh, that's just glass. Can I go up? Up. I wanna go up. I wanna go up. That can happen acid rain too, I guess. Oh, what's that? What's that? What's the? What's the? Weather machine. This is the weather machine. Power it up to increase the number of disasters that happen on multi-disaster. No, we need 100 Robux for it. Nah, forget it. Survivors. Okay. Can we? Am I something or what? I just jumped. I didn't know what to do. I just jumped. When are we gonna join? When are we gonna join? Uh, when are we gonna join the game, baby? Next map, Coastal Quick Stop. Okay, I don't know what does that mean, but we're gonna try it. It's gonna be. Oh, oh. Okay, I think this is the acid rain one. Have to run. Everyone in the house. In the house, everyone. Hide. Hey, it's my hiding place. Spot. It's my hiding spot. No. Okay, I'm gonna wait here. I don't even know what's gonna happen, so just wait here silently and chit chat. Oh my. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Disaster warming blizzard. Seek warmth and find shelter. I don't even know what that mean. What is she doing? Don't go out there, Mystic Moon. That person's gonna die. I don't even know what did that mean. I think that's like a pollution or something. Oh, it's like a tornado. It's like a tornado, okay? Ah, I'm writing let's chit chat. Let's chit chat. No, we can't even see. Ah. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Snow. That was snow. Oh my god, look at the health of the island. Look at it. So bad. Everyone's going out and they're gonna fly. Can we go up? Can I go up? I'm gonna go up. Ah, no, I'm going back there. Oh, everyone, come here. Come here. This is the safest place you can find. Survivors. What? That was nothing. That was nothing. Oh my gosh. Okay, I have this much life left. Let's do this tab. Oh, what's the emotes? Can you use emotes? Hi! I said hi to her. She didn't even. Furious Station. I don't know. Furious Station. Okay, what do we have to do in this? What do we have to do in this? I don't know. Nothing's coming. It's like nice chill weather. Look up there. Nice chill weather. Nothing's doing. There's nothing coming. I'm telling mom to sell you. Well, I'm the shopkeeper. Is there anything in the shop like blocks? Only there are blocks in it. There's nothing suspicious in it. That's a chair. Oh, cool. What's that? Can we eat here or something? Do you have to use cars in it? Disaster. Tsunami, get to the higher ground. Where's the high ground? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. That's the place. That's the place. Oh no. We're gonna die. Baby, we're gonna die. And we're gonna die. Really? We're gonna die. It's the highest ground. So big. Ah, I'm the wrong side. What happened? I just didn't do anything. No! I touched that dying man. It's not cool. Okay, that's a bit like disastery, but it's cool. Let's go up. I wanna go up. I wanna see them. An apple a day saves the day. Red apples last forever. Click new, just 80 Robux. What does that mean? Just to get a little apple. It could happen to you in hurricane insurance. 80 for I don't know what. Oh, top 10 cereals. Cool. Need a lift? Pick up a green balloon on your own. Can I get a green balloon? Oh, it's for 80 Robux. That's costing too much. This game costs too much. I'm gonna give it a bit like 5 thumbs. And from 5 stars, I'm gonna give it a 2 thumbs down. Tsunami's gone. Oh my god, only 4 survivors. That was hard, I guess. Hey, that girl was super tall. Maybe I can do my avatar too tall too. Well, I like it. Look at my avatar with the pretty woman face with shorts that are like nets and yellow blonde hair. I like it. Really. I don't want to call it a trailer park. There's a park where there's gonna be a movie trailer going on. What is this place? I don't even know what this. I've never seen a trailer park in my life. I've never heard it too. What do we have to do in this? People, tell me. Everyone's going up. I think this is Tsunami too. Yeah, this is gonna be Tsunami too, I guess. Ah, everyone's climbing up. Like, we're scared. Help us. Okay. Ah, don't kick me, you people. Oh, that's the tower we were. She's trying to climb. She's gonna, like, fell. I'm gonna wait here. There's nothing happening. Earthquake, get outside and stay away from tall structures. What? I didn't do anything. Oh. Oh my gosh, look at that place. I think there will not be more survivors. I'm gonna watch it like this. Like, look at that. How much time is it gonna take? You mean eating your poisonous apple? What happened? What happened? Hey! What? Oh, if you touch someone, yeah, that comes. View, we can view as ever. Let's see. Oh, I really won those. Aww. Let's see someone else. Mystic Moon. Okay, let's see. Let's examine her avatar. She has this, and off the shoulder bear. Oh, it's for 5 Robux. I can buy it. Yeah, that's affordable. Actually, I don't want to buy it. I pressed the cancel button. Ah, come on. I want to buy it. I want to buy. Come on. When is it gonna end? Did it end already or something? Yeah, it ended. Yeah, there's nothing there. I wanted to Surf Central. Oh no. it's the earthquake and this one too, I guess. No, it's not the earthquake. It's acid rain. I think this is acid rain. Perfect. I will always want to do acid rain. No. Stay away from big objects. What is this? What is this place? I'm scared, guys. Mystic Moon, help me! Help! Mystic Moon, I'm gonna friend request her. Let's see if she do it. Hi, Misty. You're pretty nice to me. What is gonna happen? I'm so scared. Acid rain, stay indoors. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I told you it was acid rain. We're gonna be killed. Ah, let us go up. Ah! Ah! What's happening? No! No! It's coming inside. It's coming inside. No! Okay. Oh, oh my gosh. I'm with boys. No, I don't want to stay with boys. Everyone! Come here. Everyone! Come here! Everyone, come here! You gotta die, you people! You wanna die? Do you wanna die, people? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Ah! I'm gonna stay there. I'm gonna stay there. It's a nice rain. Love the acid rain. What? Who loves acid rain? Who loves acid rain? Oh no, please don't let the stairs like break. If you're standing there, like our head should protect the stairs. We're gonna die. Yay, I was a survivor! Yay! Oh my gosh, my health. No! My health is so less. Should Mystic Man be my friend? Friend request him. Friend request her. Bad! She's weird. Height school. Can I see it? I can't see height school. I don't want to fall. Oh, there's it. There it is. I'm scared. What's gonna happen? People, tell me. Do you have to stay in the school or something? Oh, we got lockers. Safe place. Always under the stairs. I don't know what is gonna be. Oh no. That foggy thingy again. Yeah, that's the foggy thingy again. I'm gonna go up. Gotta go up. Oh my gosh, no, I don't wanna like die something. Blizzard, see the monster and find the shelter. Nah. Okay, shelter Misty. Hi Mist. Hi Mystic. Hi Mystic. I'm gonna die. Hi Mystic. Come on, say hi to me. That's not cool. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna go out. I'm gonna go out. I would die. Ah, I'm gonna die. Okay, I'm gonna die. Yeah. Ha! I'm died. Ha! I died. Ha! I died. That was a bit funny. Okay, that's no problem. So guys, if you like this video, smash the like button and please subscribe to my channel. Bye!